Alright, so now let's talk about something in data structures that can occur when copying a data structure. It's called a shallow copy. So what a shallow copy is, as you can see right here where I wrote, so basically when you have two copies of a data structure, and when you copy them, like simply, they share the same set of elements. So we're going to demonstrate how a shallow copy looks, like what it looks like. So hold on a sec. All right, so shallow copy, here's our first diction. We're going to use the dictionaries for this example. So here we go. We have my dictionary. This is a dictionary we made with item, shirt, size, price, and price. All right, so if we, for example, want to do the following. So we're going to make a new dictionary called my dictionary 1 equals my dictionary. So this is basically just copying it. So since they share the same set of elements, so they share the same elements in memory, they're going to, any changes that occur to this dictionary, occur in this dictionary as well. So first, let's print out both of them. Print my dictionary. And then we're going to say print my dictionary 1. Build, and here we go. Now, we're gonna do something else in this. We're gonna change an element. So remember we're using the key instead of the actual index, because we're working with dictionaries. So we're gonna say the size now equals small in our dictionary instead of medium. So we're going to print that out. As you can see, following the code, this is this is my dictionary, and below is my dictionary 1. So as you can see, medium changed to small in the other one as well, where we usually don't want that to happen if they're two separate dictionaries, which they should be. So we see that one object change an object applies to the other. And if we don't want this to happen, we basically use what is called a deep copy, which we'll be learning about in the next chapter when we talk about modules. So that pretty much concludes this explanation tutorial. We hope to see you next time.